Be ready, 5 seconds.
Indian hill stations are among the most beautiful places in the country, attracting tourists from all over. These places have fresh air, green forests, peaceful surroundings, and a cool climate, making them perfect destinations for vacations. People visit hill stations to escape the heat and enjoy the beauty of nature. However, these places are now facing serious environmental hazards that threaten their beauty and safety. These problems are caused by both human activities and natural changes. If these issues are not addressed in time, hill stations may become unsafe and their natural charm may be lost forever. Many dangers, such as deforestation, landslides, pollution, and climate change, are harming the environment in these areas. One of the biggest problems in Indian hill stations is deforestation. Trees are being cut down to make space for buildings, hotels, roads, and other constructions. With the rise in tourism, more hotels and restaurants are needed, leading to more trees being removed. When trees are cut down, the land becomes weak and there is nothing to hold the soil together. This makes the hills unstable and increases the risk of landslides. The removal of trees also affects the wildlife that lives in these forests. Many animals lose their homes and birds have fewer places to nest. The air quality also suffers because trees play a major role in absorbing harmful gases and keeping the air fresh. Without trees, there is also less shade, which makes the place hotter. Landslides are one of the most dangerous hazards in hill stations. A landslide occurs when rocks, soil, and debris slide down from a mountain or hill. This can happen naturally due to heavy rains, earthquakes, or the melting of snow. However, human activities like deforestation and construction make landslides more frequent. One of the most serious incidents happened in Joshimath, a town in Uttarakhand, where land started sinking and cracks appeared in buildings and roads. This forced many families to leave their homes as the land had become too weak to support structures. Experts believe that excessive construction and the overuse of land made the ground unstable. Other hill stations often face landslides during heavy rainfall, blocking roads and damaging homes. In many places, landslides have destroyed roads, making travel difficult and dangerous. Also, deforestation has weakened the land, making landslides more common. Each year, landslides cause the loss of lives and damage to properties, making them one of the most serious environmental hazards. Pollution is another major problem in hill stations. These places were once known for their fresh air and clean environment, but increasing pollution is now spoiling their beauty. There are different types of pollution affecting hill stations, including waste pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. Tourism is one of the main reasons for pollution in these areas. Tourists leave behind large amounts of waste, including plastic bags, bottles, food wrappers, and other garbage. Many people throw waste carelessly in public places, forests, and rivers. Plastic waste does not decompose for many years and harms the environment. Many animals and birds mistake plastic for food and eat it, which makes them sick or kills them. Tourists should be responsible and dispose of their waste in dustbins instead of littering. The government should also establish proper waste management systems to collect and recycle garbage. Water pollution is also a serious issue in hill stations. Many rivers, lakes, and waterfalls are getting polluted due to human activities. People throw garbage into rivers, wash clothes in them, and release sewage into water bodies. Many hotels and factories near hill stations also release dirty water into rivers without proper treatment. Polluted water is harmful to both people and animals. Many residents of hill stations depend on rivers and lakes for drinking water. When water gets polluted, they suffer from diseases. Fish and other aquatic animals also die due to dirty water. To prevent water pollution, people must stop throwing garbage into water bodies. Hotels and factories should be required to treat their waste before releasing it into rivers. Air pollution is also increasing in hill stations. Earlier, these places had the cleanest air, but now air pollution is becoming a problem. More vehicles, buses, and trucks travel to hill stations, releasing harmful gases into the air. Smoke from factories, hotels, and burning garbage adds to the pollution. When the air gets polluted, it affects people's health, causing breathing problems and lung diseases. Air pollution also affects the beauty of hill stations as a layer of smoke often covers the sky. To reduce air pollution, the number of vehicles in hill stations should be controlled and more electric buses and bicycles should be encouraged. More trees should also be planted to clean the air. Climate change is another major problem affecting hill stations. Due to global warming, temperatures in hill stations are rising. Earlier, these places had very cold weather, but now they are becoming warmer. This change in temperature affects the snowfall in these areas. Many glaciers in the Himalayas are melting faster than before. This increases water levels in rivers, leading to floods. Sometimes heavy rainfall occurs in a short period, causing flash floods and landslides. At other times, there is no rain for long periods, leading to droughts and water shortages. The famous hill station Shimla often faces a shortage of drinking water in summer because there is less snowfall in winter. In Mussoorie, unpredictable weather changes have made farming difficult for local people. Climate change is making life harder for both people and animals living in hill stations. If steps are not taken to protect hill stations, their beauty and safety may be lost forever. Some important actions can help prevent environmental hazards in these areas. Cutting trees should be stopped and more trees should be planted. This will help prevent landslides and improve air quality. Construction in hill stations should be controlled and buildings should be made only in safe areas where the land is stable. Waste management should be improved and garbage should be collected, recycled, and properly disposed of.